Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about how to deploy React application in Heroku. So that first of all, create a React application. I created this React application on my desktop by using create React app command. So let me open this in Visual Studio Code. This is my application. This is my application. Let me run this application. Okay, how we can run it? Just open your command prompt, open your terminal or command prompt just by running npm start command. Okay, if you want how we can get this skeleton and everything, just watch my previous React videos, then you can understand how to create this skeleton by using create React app. First, I get this application skeleton, just leave it. This is not our requirement. Our requirement, how this application, don't concentrate on development, how this application deploy in Heroku. That is our requirement. So that first, my application ready. The next thing is, let me write all these things somewhere. First, create React application using what? Create React app command. Using create React app command. Once it is done, create an account in Heroku. It's a open source, it's a free account. Okay, just let me create. The website, official website is like Heroku.com. See this, it's navigate to dashboard. Oh, I have already account, my credentials already saved. So that if you want to create a new account, just come here. Just click on the sign up. See this, click on the sign up. It's a matter of 2 minutes. Just they ask some details like email ID, password, all these things. You can sign up. Once you sign up, just you can sign in now. Now see this. This is my user ID and this is my password. Click on the login. Click on the login. Yes, my account ready. Once you done with the account creation, create an app in Heroku. Create an app. Okay, this app you can create multiple ways. One is like by using directly web. Another one is like by using command prompt also. I will tell both. Now see this. Create new app. Create new app. Here, your app name you can give it. My React 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Is not available. Is not available. Okay, no problem. You can give something. It's available or not. Check. Yes, available. Create app. Yes, I created one app. Now your React application have to deploy inside this particular app. Inside this particular app. So how we can access this app? Can you go to the settings? Come down. Come down. See this app you can access by using this URL. If you want to add your own domains, you can add here. If you want to add your own domains, you can add here. Okay, that is one thing. Once your deployment is completed, then we can access this particular URL, then we can see the output. Okay, now come to the deploy part. Come to the deploy part. If you observe here, see, I want to deploy my React code inside this app. So where is your React code? In my local machine on my desktop. Okay, then the time how my Heroku app directly connect with that particular local machine on desktop, whatever you have, how it is going to connect. Okay, it's not able to connect. So that what you have to do is he is asking you, okay, is my code which is available in Heroku Git or GitHub or container registry, whatever it is. So that do one thing. Just maintain your code instead of desktop. Just push your code into GitHub, maintain there. From the GitHub, you can get the code. You can get the code. So that what you have to do first, your code is here. You have to push this code into GitHub. From my GitHub, my Heroku, take the data, take the code, and is going to build and deploy the code. Is going to build and deploy the code. So that what you have to do first, you have to create a GitHub account. Say this. Once you create an Heroku app, okay, create GitHub account. GitHub account. It's also free account. The URL is github.com. Github.com. See this? I already logged in. Why? Because I had an account. My credentials and everything is saved for this particular URL, so that directly it's logged in. If you want, I will show you again how to log in. Now see this, here you can sign up. You are the new user. Just you can provide your email ID and password. Okay, they may ask some extra details. Just you can provide and sign up, complete the sign up. Once you completed the sign up, you can sign in. See this, I completed my sign up. My username is this one, password is this one. Click on sign in. In your Git, to save your project, create one repository. Create one repository. My repository name is like your wish. You can put anything. React. It's like a private repository, and yeah, create a repository. See this. This is my repository I created. In this repository, already I have some existing code is there. This code I have to push it. So how we can push means, see, just follow these steps. Open command prompt. First, initialize Git in this repository, like this Git init, and then just write like a Git status. Git status. So this, these are the files I need to commit. In the git ignore, see this here, git ignore, already the file is there. In that file I ignore node modules. In that file I ignore node modules, so that node modules not included to save here, commit here. So that git add all files and folders, you can add it. And then see my git status, all are added. Git commit. Okay, you can say like first commit, like this. Okay, give the double quotes here, once it is done, directly you are not able to push. Why? Because whatever the repository is there, you have to add this repository to that particular folder. So how we can add, git remote add origin, your repository path you have to give it. Now you can push. Now see, this guy gives one command to you. That command only you can run it. Now once you run this command, your local code push into your GitHub. One of the repository. See this, in your React you can see your code or not. This is only the code which is inside my folder. This is the one. Yes, once your code inside GitHub. Now come to my Heroku app. Set your Git repository here to build and deploy. So how we can means, where is your code? In your deployment tab, deploy tab, just click on the GitHub. Now see this, I already connected with my Git account. Okay, if you not connected with your Git account, okay, let me show that one also. First of all, remove that here in my account settings. To my account, already my Git account connected. In the applications, okay, revoke access. Okay, I removed the GitHub. Now come here. This is my app. Go to my deploy. Now come here, GitHub. Now see this. Connect to GitHub. Click on this. Connected to GitHub. Now he is going to ask user ID and password and everything. Already it's open right here, so that it's not asking. Just he is going to maintain that, take the session from here only, and he logged in. Say this, you can get it or not. What is my repository name? My repository name is like a React is my repository. So that check for the repository. If the repository is there, just try to connect with the repository. Inside this repository, which branch you are using? For now only one branch is there. In that branch only I am maintaining this code. So that just give this branch name, to take the code and build and deploy. Now see this, which branch you want me to take? Only one branch is there, master branch. Enable automatic deploys. It's working like a CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. And then this is my branch name. If you want to deploy the branch, you can deploy it. Now if I click on the deploy branch, now whatever the code inside this particular master branch, that code is going to build and deploy. Now I want to check it. Okay, is it going on or not? See this, my build is going on. See this, view build progress. Now it takes some time. installing dependencies, installing node modules. Okay, just wait. Now see this. The remaining things also going on. Build, running build, create and optimize the production build. This is like a logs. This is like a log. See, while building your code, which command is going to run? React scripts build. This is the command it's running. React scripts build. Now, just wait. It's going on. Now wait. Yeah, build succeeded. See this. Build succeeded or not? Okay, once build succeeded, okay, now he has to deploy the code so that he is compressing the build code and everything, and he is going to deploy. He is going to deploy. Yes, my deployment also completed. Okay, now you can see deployed to Heroku. This is the app. This is the app. Okay, that is this is the URL for this particular app. You can copy this one. You can test is my code is already deployed or not. Check it. Now if you come here, see this, my react 54321.herokuapp.com. In this particular URL, my code deployed, so that inside the code, okay, which output has to visible, which output has to visible, so that I already run this code. See this, you are running, right? Can you check in my localhost 3000, localhost 3000? What is my output? Hello Sachin is my output. See this, I see in my localhost 3000 port number, hello Sachin. Now if you come here, see this, my react 54321.herokuapp.com also having hello Sachin only or not. That means my code deployed in this particular app or not. So this localhost 3000, it can access in my local machine only, but this URL can access throughout the world. Wherever you want, you can open or not. Across the world can view your output or not. Now, if you want to change something here, okay, here in my app.js, okay, this is my hello Sachin. Just I'm going to change like hello Dhoni. How my CI/CD is going to work, I'm showing. Hello Dhoni. I did some change. Once you did the change, can we push the change into my Git repository? So how we can git status, git add, and then git commit. What is my commit? Name change, and then git push, and then git push. See, once you pushed, can you go to your app? Can you come to my overview? Once your code push into your repository, automatically my build is going to trigger and it's going to deploy. See, wait for some time. It's going to, once it is pushed, automatically it will come, says it is in progress or not. That means again my build triggered and it is going to deploy, now my output is like what? Hello Sachin is my output or not. Now localhost already changed. Localhost is like what? Dhoni. But my code now it's in deployment, in progress or not. Once my code is deployed, my new changes has to be visible here or not. Like what? Hello Dhoni. So that can you check how much completed, how much code completed? See here, view build in progress. Just click on that one. Now see this, installing dependencies. It is in the installing dependencies, installing node modules. Okay, now installing node modules. It takes some time. Okay, yes. Now it's come here. Yeah, build, running build. Okay, which command? React scripts build command is running, creating an optimized production build. By running this command, okay, my build, optimized build folder, you can get it. Okay, minified code and everything. Now once my build is ready, it's going to deploy. Okay, if you want to check this one, is it in progress or not, just come here, overview. Now still, see this, still it is in progress or not, still it is in progress. Now come here, what steps are going on now, just click on this one. Now see, my build succeeded. Now it's compressing. Once it is compressed, just it is going to deploy. Now see this, now done. My compressing also done. Yes, deployed to Heroku or not. Now you can open this URL. Already open, right? URL. Okay, my Sachin previous build code. Now if I click on this, my Sachin turn to be what? Dhoni or not. Now just wait, it's loading. Okay, in my local, the output is what? Local host 3000. My output is like what? Dhoni only or not. That output should be in my production also. In my production also, my output should be hello Dhoni only or not. Yes. Are you able to see this? Hello Dhoni only or not. This is the way we can deploy our React application in Heroku. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.